What if I told you there's a planet out there that's made almost entirely of metal? Not rock, not gas, not ice, just metal, solid, scorching, shimmering metal. And no, this isn't science fiction. It's very real. NASA discovered it, and what they found could change how we understand planet formation itself. This is the strange, molten world of 16 Psyche, the planet that shouldn't exist. And it might be worth more than the entire global economy. Let's dive in. Located between Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt lies 16 Psyche, one of the most mysterious objects in our solar system. It's not like other asteroids made of dust and rock. This one is different. Scientists believe 16 Psyche is made almost entirely of metal, iron, and nickel, the same metals found at Earth's core. Its estimated diameter is about 226 kilometers, roughly the distance from New York City to Washington, D.C., that makes it one of the 10 largest objects in the asteroid belt. But it's what's inside that has stunned scientists. Unlike other asteroids, 16 Psyche reflects radar signals like solid metal. Infrared and radio wave observations suggest it may be up to 95% metallic. This led scientists to a bold theory. 16 Psyche might be the exposed core of an ancient planet. That's wildly unusual for space rocks. Billions of years ago, a young protoplanet may have collided with others in violent impacts that stripped away its outer crust and mantle, leaving behind only the metallic core. If true, 16 Psyche would offer a direct look at a planet as hard, something we've then never been able to study up close before. To put its value into perspective, the metals inside Psyche are estimated to be worth $10 quintillion. That's 10 dollars more than the entire global economy. Of course, we're not sending mining ships just yet. But the idea that so much wealth could exist in a single space rock? That's mind-blowing. NASA took this seriously enough to launch an actual mission. The NASA Psyche mission launched on October 13, 2023, aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. Its goal? Travel 2.2 billion miles to reach 16 Psyche by August 2029. Once there, it will orbit the metallic world for at least 26 months. It's equipped with a magnetometer, multispectral imagers, and gamma-ray spectrometers, all designed to reveal Psyche's composition, structure, and history. If Psyche really is a planetary core, this mission could confirm how planets like Earth formed and evolved from the inside out. The spacecraft uses a cutting-edge solar electric propulsion system powered by large solar panels and xenon ions. This allows it to travel vast distances using minimal fuel. It's one of NASA's most ambitious science missions in recent years, and there's a reason for that. Understanding Psyche isn't just about the asteroid. It's about our own planet. Earth's core lies about 3,000 kilometers below the surface, too deep to reach with any human technology. But 16 Psyche is like a time capsule, preserving a naked core in space for billions of years. Studying it could teach us how Earth's magnetic field formed, how heat moves through planetary bodies, and what makes planets habitable. And there's more. Some scientists suggest that 16 Psyche might still be partially molten inside. If that's true, it could be generating its own magnetic field, a phenomenon never observed in an asteroid. If detected, this would completely rewrite our understanding of planetary remnants. It might even blur the line between asteroid and planet. The surface of 16 Psyche is equally mysterious. Instead of dust and craters, it may be covered in metallic cliffs, nickel-rich plains, and even sparkling iron meteorites. Temperatures on its surface can swing wildly from minus 150 degrees Celsius to over 200 degrees Celsius, depending on sunlight exposure. Despite being so far from the sun, it still gets warm due to its reflective surface and lack of atmosphere. And scientists believe the asteroid could have strange metallic regolith or dust formed by tiny micrometeorite impacts. The idea of mining Psyche has stirred imaginations and headlines alike. But realistically, we're decades away from any kind of asteroid mining. Still, companies and investors are already thinking about the future, when rare metals like platinum and cobalt become scarce on Earth. Psyche could be a key to solving resource shortages, or the cause of an interplanetary gold rush. But before we jump to sci-fi futures, we need answers. That's what the NASA mission is all about. To answer questions like, is Psyche really a planetary core? What secrets are locked inside its metallic heart? And could studying it reveal how life began on rocky planets like Earth? The mission will send back images, data, and electromagnetic readings that could take years to analyze. But one thing is already certain. 16 Psyche is one of the strangest, most valuable, and scientifically important objects we've ever discovered. A planet made of metal floating silently between Mars and Jupiter, just waiting to tell us its secrets. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. More space mysteries and science stories are coming your way. Tell us in the comments, would you visit a metal planet if you could? Until next time, stay curious.